Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो.
मेरे दिमाग में ना एक बहुत फनी सवाल आ रहा है कि हर फिल्म की एक सबसे इजी वे ऑफ प्रमोशन होता है कि उसके लीड एक्टर एक्ट्रेसेस का नाम जोड़ दो, पर आप तो कह रहे हैं आप दीपिका से ढंग से बात तक नहीं करते हैं, उनको प्रमोट कैसे करेंगे फिल्म का नाम भी नाम आजकल.
Yeah, poor thing. No, I think it's not like I don't talk to her. Like we have talked a little bit. She's very sweet.
But there's no scope ना कहीं पे rumors भी नहीं हो सकते कि
Oh no, I think that's a bit, I guess if I'm trying to think if it's positive or negative or what it is. Like sometimes, yeah, if both people are single, then why not?
तो सोचते हैं
Yeah,
ना,
but they
ठीक
do.
है,
Yeah, big good publicity. But I don't know. That way, I remember a few years ago there was a midday headline of something Manisha Koirala getting kidnapped, and everybody panicked. And it was, I think, some producer having, he's made a film. So there's a limit to what you will say or how you will project yourself for a film. And I think you have a responsibility to yourself, your personal life also. So you can't be starting rumors about a co-star, and just, I don't know.
So I'm sure that's not
if you're single and if both people come up with that idea.
That's why I said कि it looks quite impossible here.
Yeah, so. It is. I think it generally is with me. Yeah.
सिर्फ ये बताइए कि इम्तियाज की लास्ट फिल्म जब वी मेट सुपर डुपर हिट और आपकी पिछली एक दो फिल्मों ने कुछ इतना अच्छा नहीं किया.
नहीं.
तो लगता है ये इस बार एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत ज्यादा रहेंगी ऑडियंस को आपसे.
I don't know, but everybody forgets, that I did a very successful film called Race.
Yeah, I remember that. लेकिन उसके बाद जो आपकी फिल्म आई थोड़ा प्यार थोड़ा मैजिक obviously didn't do.
So bad that everyone forgot about Race. You can say it. It's all right. Yeah, it was a good idea. I don't know what. So that's the actor's life. There's good films, there's bad films, there's mistakes.
But after
At one point,
thoda magic, you think you'll be back?
I don't know.
Love Aajkal?
God, I don't know. I just know that when 2 years ago, if Yash Raj Films offers you a movie directed by Kunal Kohli after Hum Tum and Fana, that it sounds like a really good idea, and sometimes good ideas also go wrong. So you stand by that, and hits and flops are part of the game.
टशन और थोड़ा प्यार थोड़ा मैजिक के बाद आपने इसीलिए हाथ तो नहीं खींच लिया, अब अपना प्रोडक्शन हाउस शुरू किया कि मैं खुद ही फिल्म बनाऊंगा और एक्टिंग करूंगा.
But certainly that attitude is I wouldn't say it in exactly the same way, but certainly there's a little thought of that कि यार, I can also make a mess of things myself a little bit, of my own career. I might as well. If I'm anyway getting in trouble, it might as well be my own production. There's a Clint Eastwood's production company. His name is Malpaso. We're very inspired by Clint Eastwood in this organization, being the kind of actor and the kind of director. So Malpaso means a bad step.
Okay.
Because people told him that if you go into production, it will be a very bad step. So he called his production company name Malpaso, and very successful. So he said that I can make a mess of my career better than anyone else. Thank you. So give me the control at least over my life. So that is part of the reason.
But name of your production house is quite inspiring. Probably
Illuminati.
It'll illuminate your career.
Hopefully, but the Illuminati is also a secret society. We like the name because it sounds dark and mysterious, but actually it's light-giving. I'm like a boy who's interested in secret societies and cults and Knights of the Round Table and the Templar Knights, and so Illuminati's part is actually it's a secret society from the medieval ages.
Okay.
Dan Brown will make it famous again in his new film in Ron Howard's new film after Da Vinci Code. There's a film called Angels and Demons. It's all about the Illuminati.